In this video, we'll review how writers of research papers analyze their assignment sheets and use this analysis to make a plan for conducting their research, drafting, revision, and publishing of their research papers. Let's first review what some of the key components of looking at our assignment sheet will be. The first thing we do is we ask ourselves, what is the genre that I'll be writing in? The next question that might come up is, how much research is required for me to find and use in my paper? A sub-question to that would be, where do these sources need to come from? Are there requirements for that? And then, most importantly, what are the important due dates for these assignments? After we understand this, it's very important that we make a personal plan for ourselves. You need to make sure you consult your personal calendar, that you are reasonable with your time and expectations of your work, that you understand that quality work will take you time when it comes to research paper writing, and a suggestion is to schedule yourself mini checkpoints along the way so that you stay on track. As you move to drafting, revision, and publishing of your paper, it's important that you consult your grading rubric, that you use feedback to inform your progress, and that you keep an eye on important due dates. Let's look now to the research paper assignment sheet to start answering some of these questions in our first Analyze the Assignment category. Our first question is, what is the genre of the assignment? This question can be answered by the first paragraph of our assignment sheet. In the first paragraph, we notice that the purpose of this paper is established as an argumentative position research paper. We will be embarking on a research project in which we will establish a claim about a topic, and we will work with research to support that claim throughout our paper. What topics can I choose from? If we look below, we will see on the third page of the assignment sheet a list of topics and research that are required. This answers our question, what topic can I choose? And it answers another question of how much research is required. Underneath each suggested topic, you will notice that there is one required article to be used from a news article that is already linked within the assignment sheet. And then you are required to additionally find 4 more articles of your choice. These articles need to come from the research databases from Lone Star Tomball, and we see this information reflected in the bold language below. Which databases may I use? In the bolded language below, we see that you may choose from the Gale Opposing Viewpoints or Academic Search Complete databases, which are located through the Lone Star Tomball Library database website. Our next question is, what are the important due dates? For this information, we need to look at our course calendar of assignments. We notice that on week 8, for example, that the research paper and annotated bibliography assignment sheet is due. Now, this is the course calendar of assignments for the 14-week class. If you are taking an 8-week, a 12-week, or a 3-week mini-mester, your assignment dates may be slightly different. But it's important that you consult your course calendar of assignments so that you can scroll through and find out when annotated bibliographies will be due, when practice paragraphs will be due, and when ultimately your final research paper is due. Let's go back to the research paper assignment sheet and now consider, what are the expectations of this assignment? Where are the grading rubrics with those more specific expectations? And what sub-assignments will be along the way, such as the annotated bibliography? The second page of the research paper assignment sheet shows the annotated bibliography assignment. You will notice that it is 10% of the course average, so it is also considered a major writing assignment for the course. The expectations for the annotated bibliography are listed below. You need to submit a minimum of 4 sources. Each source should be listed separately. Each source should have a MLA Works Cited entry and be followed by 2 brief paragraphs. One paragraph summarizing the source, and another paragraph explaining how the source will inform your paper. For both of these paragraphs, you have examples in the Everyone's an Author textbook. If we continue to scroll, we will find our general requirements for the research paper, in terms of length, format, and again, a reminder of how much research you are required to do. There is a short grading rubric snapshot for the research paper itself, followed by a detailed grading rubric for both the annotated bibliography and the research paper. Consulting these grading rubrics will help you establish the specific requirements for your work. Keep these guidelines in mind as you analyze your research paper assignment and you make your personal plan for conducting your research, drafting, revising your paper, and publishing.